Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create abstract polygonal texture vector background in Adobe Illustrator. Draw a polygon shape. Alt and drag for duplicate. Use eyedropper tool to pick color. Angle 90° in graded panel. Ctrl D for repeat duplicate shapes. Blending mode overlay from transparency panel. Shift Ctrl F10. Outline stroke 6 point. Go to select menu and stroke color. Opacity 50%. Blending mode overlay. Alt and drag for duplicate shape. Rotate shape. Blending mode hard light. Opacity 70%. Finally, your geometric background with polygonal triangles background is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create vector polygonal pattern or texture background in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.